If it's the first time you're using the AutoCAD export feature, click on the download link in the results export page and the installer will download to your computer. Install the software in line with your IT requirements. When you're satisfied with your design, click on the results button to update all the calculations and ensure the latest pipe sizing information gets exported to AutoCAD. Any result you select in this view will be shown on the export in the same location. Prior to hitting the export button, zoom in on a section of the drawing. Zooming in on an area with small pipe or duct runs will reveal the result for smaller lengths. Decide on the visibility you wish to export by zooming in to an area of concern. The closer you zoom here will impact the result shown on the export file. When you are happy with the visibility, click Export to bring up the export page. Save the file to a convenient location on your computer. Open AutoCAD and type h2x import into the dialog box. If the add-in is installed correctly, it will come up pre-filled and you just hit enter to start the add-in. Once open, select the file that you wish to import into AutoCAD. If you do not have an AutoCAD drawing template file or a standard block library to use, leave all the layer mappings blank. The software will create the layers and blocks based on the information from the h2x export. Click Import to start the process. Close the dialog box when all the files appear in the status window. When you come into AutoCAD, you'll see that the text has come across as labels and blocks as per the drawings you've done in h2x. In the instance that you have an AutoCAD drawing template file or a block library that you wish to use in line with your drawing standards, go into the Settings dialog box in the add-in and navigate to the DWT file that you wish to use. The DWT file will need to be in the standard AutoCAD drawing template location. Select the project JSON file you wish to use. Once you've selected the template file, all of your standard drawing layers will come into the dialog box and allow you to map each layer to the h2x system settings so that when the file is generated, it's all on the correct layer per your drawing standards. In the same dialog box, you can also map all the equipment to your custom block library to bring across your custom blocks to align with the blocks that are generated in h2x. If you have an extensive block library, you can also match each of the plant equipment to your selected blocks. Once all the layers and blocks are mapped, hit Import to generate the AutoCAD file. The settings chosen will map h2x settings to your chosen layers and blocks. Open the generated file to check that the information is correct. Also check that all the layers and blocks are in line with your standard drawing template layers and that the blocks are correct. This applies for all the equipment systems, settings, valves, and plant that is in your drawing.